itong nanay na to or ang tatay na to na nag-guide sa'yo, hindi lang nawala. So how would you stand with your own faith? Okay? So, kung abrupt yung pagkawala ng nag-guide sa'yo, natuturo sa'yo, nagluloko sa'yo, nagpapaliko sa'yo, biglang nawala yan, anong gagawin mo? Okay? May hirapan ka. The adjustment is difficult.
Ba't na?
The adjustment is difficult.
Maganda
Kung
talaga I like it.
anong gagawin?
Kasi leadership ko pa si Spain, pati si Philippines. Parang together daw sila. Love.
All of these things, sinasabi
No,
natin,
like random lang.
pwede
At some point,
mahirapan actually. This is actually the vision of America. If Spain would leave the Philippines, who would take care of the people? Who would govern the people? Diba? Kung paalisin yung Governor General, Body Civil, and the rest of the officials, saan kukunin ang gobyerno? You will form the government of the Philippines, led by the Filipinos? Paano nagagawin yan? Hindi pwede. So in the meantime, sabi ng United States of America, will take charge. Okay? Will take charge until you'll be ready to stand up on your own feet. Kapag ready na kayo, sabi ng Amerika, we will grant you your true independence.
wow.
That's their yes.
Sir, yung